Figjam is great for doing quick mockups. If we wanted to do a quick dashboard, for example, it's easy enough to drag out some bar charts at different lengths. Even great for showing funnels, where you're showing how many people you're retaining from one step to another in a funnel. And this is pretty good. This is the way I tend to do graphs if I just need to mock up something really quickly. Well, what if you want to use some more comparison type fills on your graphs? I found a trick using the section tool in Figjam to create these fills, and it's really easy to do. So let's head over to our sample dashboard, and we'll just quickly recreate a couple of these using the section tool. So I'll begin by pressing Shift S to drag out a section. And now we're going to turn the fill off. So we get this nice hashed fill on top of this section. Now I can draw out a new shape, line it up with the right edge, and choose the fill color that I want. And you can do Option A to align these to the left. And now we have a really nice comparison graph very quickly with the option to show labels on it. And we can drag a copy of these and create them in any way we want, in any color we want. What's nice about this is you get the label for free. You don't have to add an extra text layer to create the label. I've included a link below in the description to this file in the Figma community if you want to download it and see how this is constructed.